Welcome to New Year Alpha. Today we are going to discuss about AI, some types of AI, some projects of the types of AI, and the big techs and hard startups that are into these particular fields. The first one is recommender systems. Recommender systems are specialized algorithms designed to provide personalized suggestions for items that are most relevant to individual users. They play a crucial role in helping users navigate the vast amount of content available online by filtering and recommending products, services, or information based on user preferences and behaviors. Coming to the recommender system projects or applications, what are the main important things? Like we have product recommendations and content personalization. These are two important recommender system projects. There are many recommender system projects. The main thing over here is they recommend you based on your preferences. And some big techs, if we just look at Netflix, Amazon, Spotify are some examples. In Netflix, based on your preferences, the movies will be popped up to you. Likewise, in Amazon, based on your past preferences, the products will be shown to you. On Spotify, the music, based on your preferences, it will be shown to you. And so there are some really very good hot startups in this particular field of recommender systems. They are Glean, Constructor, and TikTok, etc. The next important concept is computer vision. It is a field of AI and computer science that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world, just like humans do. This includes the ability to analyze images and videos, to identify objects, recognize faces, read text, and understand the context of visual content, and many more things. Some important computer vision projects are face recognition, object detection, image classification, autonomous driving. So some big techs which are working on this computer vision are Meta, Apple, Google, etc. And some of the hot startups like Scale AI, Weights and Biases, RoboFlow are into these computer vision projects. The next area is LLMs or large language models or generative AI. Large language models are advanced AI systems designed for natural language processing, NLP tasks, enabling them to understand and generate human language. They achieve this by processing vast amounts of text data, learning statistical relationships and patterns during training, which can be either self-supervised or semi-supervised. So what are some important generative AI projects? They are pre-training, fine-tuning, deploying LLMs, etc. And some of the big techs which are into this LLM space are Google Gemini, Meta Llama, Amazon Titan. And some of the hard startups working in this area of generative AI are OpenAI, Anthropic, Cohere, etc. The next important concept which we are going to deal is MLOps or AI infrastructure. MLOps or machine learning operations is a set of practices and methodologies designed to streamline the deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of machine learning models in production environments. It combines principles from both machine learning and DevOps. DevOps means it's a combination of software development and IT operations, focusing on creating a reliable and efficient workflow for managing ML models throughout this life cycle. Some of the most important MLOps projects are model deployment, model monitoring, and model scaling. Some other big techs which are into the area of MLOps projects are Google Vertex AI, Amazon SageMaker, etc. And some of the hot startups which are working in the area are Databricks, Anyscale, Weights and Biases, etc. The next important concept which we are going to deal is AI for search. AI for search refers to the integration of AI technologies into search engines and information retrieval batch systems to enhance the user experience and improve the accuracy of search results. By leveraging AI, search engines can provide more relevant, personalized, and intuitive responses to user queries, transforming the way people find information online. Some of the most important AI for search projects are semantic search, question answering, RAG applications. RAG applications means retrieval augmented generation applications. Some of the big techs working in this area are Google, Microsoft, Bing, Amazon. Some of the hot startups in this area are Perplexity AI, U.com. Coming to the next important sub-area of AI is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a field of AI and computer science that focuses on interaction between computers and human language. It enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both useful and meaningful. So the most important NLP projects are language translation, content moderation, sentiment analysis, etc. Some of the big techs working in the area of NLP are Google BERT model, Meta Robota model, Microsoft T5 model. These are some models of big tech companies. Some of the hot startups in this area are Hugging Face, Duolingo, Grammarly, etc. The last important area which we are going to look at is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a branch of machine learning focusing on how an intelligent system should take actions in a dynamic environment to maximize the reward signal. It is characterized by the agent's ability to learn optimal behaviors through interactions with its environment, making decisions based on the feedback it receives in the form of rewards or penalties. So some of the major projects in reinforcement learning are motion planning, perception, control, etc. Some of the big techs which are working in the area are like Google with its DeepMind, Amazon and robotics. And some of the hot startups working in this area are Agility Robotics, Boston Dynamics, etc. So guys, these are some important areas where AI is making rapid strides. We have just given you the important projects along with the big techs and hot startups that are working in this area. Just go through all these things. It will only provide you some pointers like what are the areas that AI is into or some of the projects and some of the companies are working it. You just go dig deeper and find more data. Thanks for watching. Thank you.